Давай Гwokyeza. Давай Gwokyeza. Okay. Au soko leo uko katini. Karatini nyo. Soko seko wa.
Kusaba msoke mudeke maruka. Bakulu. Kusaba msoke mudeke maruka. Mukube kale gende no abavuka bakole bana. No, it reduces the morale. I don't see that.
Okay, boy. Advance inside, eh? You advance. So come in Okay, advance, eh? Advance.
Mukuru wakame.
Yeah.
Wakame.
Yes.
Yes. I've been around. I came. Excuse me. What you do? You are done. You want to have to work for Nina.
Yes.
You must have done the sample. Is it okay? Yeah, that's what I want.
You are doing overhaul, eh?
No, let them first knock off the debris. Then we begin the sample.
Yes.
Welcome to the board. Yes, sir. I came, and you know, when there is, no matter what I take it from the board, there is nothing. I passed the
Headmaster waffe ow'okusatu bamuyitanga Canon Myers Grace yali wano okuva 1926 okutuuka 1934. Kye tusinga okumujjukirako nti ye yakkiriza abawala okujoyininga essomero lino. Mu 1933 abawala 12 ne bayingira essomero lino ne lifuuka essomero erisooka mu Uganda okusomesa abawala n'abalenzi ng'ate lya kisulo. Kye tuba tujjukira Canon Grace. Muyinza okujjukira omukyala Yusuf Lule yali omu ku bawala abe 12 abaasooka okujoyininga essomero lino, bamuyitanga Anna Lule. So ekizimbe kino okujja kitujjukiza headmaster waffe, kitujjukiza abawala abaasooka 12. Ate kijjidde mu kiseera kibi kubanga olina okubeera ne social distancing, olina kukola kisimanyi administration bw'eneekola, naye tulumiddwa nnyo. Essomero lino mulundi gwakubiri actually kuba England House yajja ne tuzimba endala eno, naye mujjukire n'okujjukira sigwerabidde, naye mujjukire nti essomero lino lyerimu ne Buddo Junior School nalyo lyaffe Buddo Junior. Kati bw'ogatta Buddo Junior School, England House n'ekisulo kino gye mirundi 3 nga Buddo efuna ekikangabwa kino, ng'Abaganda bwe bagamba eyatuloga tasanga mimi.
nze yamanya
mwenga basomerako wano y'abazadde ekyokuba kyo kibayisiza kitya? Kituyisiza bubi nnyo kubanga guno omulundi gulinga gwakusatu. Buddo Junior ya 28 twalina England House awo nejja, ate kino kwegamba yatuloga tasanga mimi. My name is Kayondo, Dr. Edward Kayondo, former mobilizer of the Old Buddonians Club between 1984 and 2011, and then president of the Old Buddonians Club between 2015 and 2017. Anti-English. I'm here to represent all Buddonians because as soon as I got a phone, I came. This building this dormitory is known as Grace House. It is in remembrance of Canon Myers Grace, who was our third headmaster, who was headmaster here between 1926 and 1934. He's the headmaster who admitted 12 girls to this school, turning this school into the first co-educational institution in the country. And among those 12 girls, the one you may remember and you may know is Mrs. Anna Lule, who was the first lady in this country, wife of Professor Yusuf Lule. So we remember our headmaster, we remember the first 12 girls who joined this school, and that's why we are very hurt by this dormitory. And of course the other thing is the girls only make 30% of this school. Out of about 1,700 students, the girls are only 500 something. So then you get one dormitory band, which means it's going to be a problem next year admitting, next academic year, admitting more girls. And our intention all along has been to admit more and more girls so that school could balance girls and boys. But the situation for girls has improved a lot. When I was here, they were outnumbered by about 8 to 1. But now it is 1 out of 3.
This comes when students have just reported back to school, others are in examinations. How has it?
Taka kukubye?